Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your CVS ExtraCare account to ensure it's active and you're earning rewards, follow these quick steps to check your account status and manage your benefits. Step 1. Open the CVS Pharmacy app on your mobile device or visit cvs.com in your web browser. Sign in using your ExtraCare account email address and password. Step 2. After logging in, tap on your account icon or name in the upper corner of the screen. Select Account Settings or My Account from the menu. Step 3. Look for the ExtraCare section within your account dashboard. This area displays your ExtraCare card number and membership status. Step 4. Verify that your ExtraCare card number matches the card you use in stores. Check that your account status shows as active. Step 5. Review your personal information, including name, phone number, email, and mailing address. Make sure all details are current and accurate. Step 6. Navigate to the Extra Bucks Rewards section to confirm your account is earning rewards properly. You should see your current Extra Bucks balance and any available coupons or offers. Step 7. If you notice your account appears inactive or you're not receiving rewards, scroll down to find customer support options or call CVS customer service. They can help verify your account status and ensure your ExtraCare card is properly linked and active for earning rewards on all eligible purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.